you got to think about what type of leader you are as well. You're the one leading your team to this vision. First thing is you got to make sure you communicate that vision correctly and clearly, and that your team has bought into that and they believe in that vision. And then you got to lead by example, right? You got to put in the work too, and your team's got to see you doing that and aiming towards that same goal. You got to keep the team motivated throughout, right? A lot of that comes through being transparent, having at least quarterly financials to the team and showing them, hey, where we're at as far as how our financials are looking. Obviously, those company KPIs that should definitely be tracked and made public to your whole team so they can see where you are. And some of this is coming from Game of Business. I'm gonna give you guys a list of books too. But that one talks more about the business being a game and creating competition around the team too, and being transparent with the financials and the KPIs and making it more of a competition within the team.